This pussycat. Mutts, is it? Now there is a chick. A bird that I wouldn't say abandoned. It's alive, very much alive. It's just over there. It might be its parent. What a nice pond, by the way. Ah, pussycat. Its parent is dead as a doorknob. That's if it is the chick's parent. So it could be the chick is abandoned. That mean old pussycat doesn't seem to be killing. I don't know if the cat's killed the bird or what. And there's a chicken coop, a pigeon coop above here too. It shouldn't be here, but it is. So the pussycat, if it wanted to, Martsy, could help itself. Especially with that chick abandoned. So I'm going to have to ring Wildlife Victoria, take photos, send email of attachment of the photos, and then ring them to come and, if they feel appropriate, come and tend it to this chick.